3 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain moving over the southeast half of Oahu, with the heaviest rain rates up to 3 inches per hour. Streams along windward Oahu have been showing rises in water levels. Flash flooding is ongoing. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flooding in drainages, streams, rivers, roads, properties, and other low-lying areas. Public road closures possible in some areas. Landslides are possible in steep terrain. This warning includes the entire island of Oahu. Stay away from streams, rivers, drainage ditches, and culverts, even if they are currently dry. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of drainage ditches and streams, streets, highways, properties, and other low-lying spots. Public road closures possible in some areas. A high wind warning message for the following counties in Hawaii: Molokaʻi, Lanai Windward, Lanai Leeward, Lanai South, Maui Central Valley North, Maui Central Valley South, Windward currently dry. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of drainage ditches and streams, streets, highways, properties, and other low-lying spots.
Things considered from the
Flash flood warning, here comes the chaos.